Hi Potterhead friend, it's Piotr. Yes, I know Christmas is already over, but I couldn't share this video on time in December. However, you can definitely use those ideas and DIY for your room decoration, so I decided to share this video anyways. Last year I bought the Harry Potter Funko Pop Advent Calendar. I'm living in Tokyo, so I have a really small apartment. I have no space for those cute figures. So I had the idea to turn those cuties in ornament for my home decoration, and I thought it could be cute ornament for my Christmas tree. I also did the same with my miniature ones. I got them in Tokyo from Gacha Gacha. It's capsule toy in Japan. You just have to make a small hole on the top of the figure and put a hook. Now you have a cute ornament. It's perfect if you don't know what to do with small figures. For the next idea, I used some of my rubber stamp, corks and other wood supplies to make those Butterbeer corks and small ornament with spells. Now it's time for the first tutorial of this video. I'm going to show you how I made my Hogwarts Crests ornaments. For this DIY you need wood supplies, print, the image must be reversed, is really important, and Mod Podge. I really recommend you to cut around the shape of the print as close as possible, or there will be somewhat residue around the edge, like those prototypes. So now you just have to apply a generous amount of Mod Podge like this. When the print is wet, carefully taking it off from your workspace to your ornament. Apply a last layer of Mod Podge and try to avoid the wood support. If you put some Mod Podge on the wood surface, don't worry, just clean the wood surface before it becomes dry. Then delicately press the print. You can use similar object or rigid card. I always let it dry overnight just in case. So now use a wet tissue and press it on the surface. When the paper is becoming wet, you can start to rub it. Do not rub too hard, this part is the most important and you must be really careful. Apply more water if it's too dry, and don't forget to remove the residue on your tissue sometime during the process. During this process, I like to use my fingers to remove some wet paper, because I can control more the pressure I exert on it. I keep this part to show you it's normal to slightly damage the pattern during the process. Even if you're super careful, it can happen. Let it dry a few times to see if you need to rub a little more or if it's okay. Here a few examples of different drying stages. If there is many white areas, you need to continue to rub, but really delicately. If it's matte, it's fine. So I peeled off more wet paper and now I have this result. Although there is some white parts, I'm going to seal the print. I just have to apply a coat of Mod Podge on my dry wood ornament to seal the print. Here's the result with the coat of Mod Podge. At this point you can leave it like this, or if you messed up some part of your print, you can custom it. I used some gold and silver leaf sheet to hide my small mistake, but also to make my ornament more festive. I like when it shines. For the next tutorial, I'm going to show you how I made those enchanted flying keys. All you need is some old-fashioned keys, some plastic from any kind of plastic packaging. Also a pattern of wings. I choose dragonfly wings for my enchanted flying keys. And a thin marker. I put the pattern under a piece of plastic and I draw the edge of the wing with my marker. Then I paint a thin layer of shiny paint, but it's optional. Who wants potion? You need containers, print of potion label, you don't need to reverse the design this time, and some Mod Podge again. I use those clear round ornaments when I record the video, but you can use this technique on other kind of containers like potion bottles. And to be honest, it will be more easy on flat or cylinder surface and the result will be better. My bad, I'm completely out of camera, sorry. I'm not really happy with the result, so I decide to pet it off and add some damaging effect. I think it looks better with some cracks and burn effect. I also use this technique on my glass jar light and I love the result. Okay friends, so for the next and last idea I just used some capital letter, G for Gryffindor, S for Slytherin, R for Ravenclaw, and H for Hufflepuff. In my Christmas tree, it was really pretty. I painted some later and just had some gold and silver foil paper. And voila! I hope you like this video. If you're using one of these DIY for your Christmas tree, please tag me on Instagram. And if you have any question, just leave a comment below. See you soon, guys. Bye!